Oh my God. Y'all, that is dim. Like, that is the dimmest it can get. Let's turn the brightness up. Oh my God. Whoa. Y'all, it's still not okay. That's the brightest it can get.
8-inch bagel, that's the pipe. It's new whip, right around it. I can see why all these
that again.
bust down, 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 bust down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be reviewing my new ring light I just got. It's the Neewer, I think that's how you pronounce it. Ring light, 18-inch, and y'all, I'm so excited. Like, I've been wanting this for so long, and I even made me a bootleg ring light. I think I put it up in the closet or something. But y'all can go check that video. I put it up. I think it's right here. I even made a bootleg ring light, and y'all, that got nothing on this ring light that I got. I got this ring light from Amazon, and it's what I said, Neewer. It's the Neewer, whatever. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, it's that brand. And y'all, it was only, how much was it? I think it was 104. I don't know. I got a backdrop too, so it came up to like 130 something, 40 something. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm excited. And I had to hurry up, and I just got off work, and I got it this morning, but y'all, I had to hurry up because before this light go out, like for the natural light go out, cause it's time to use this ring light, and I'm ready. So before I get started with this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications so you know when I post all my new videos, period, because it's lit. Anyways, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so it came in a huge box, and I already took it out. It came in this big box right here. Amazon, as you can tell. And yes, so I already took it out. So yeah, it comes in that big box. So if you get it, you get ready for a big box coming to your house. And it had a second box that it came in. Ooh. This is the box that was inside that big box. Whoa. This. It looks like this. It's kind of big. It's like that big. So y'all, I've been waiting all day. I got it before I went to work, and I was at work. I was just thinking about it the whole day, like, I want my ring light. So it's time to open it. Yes. So I'm trying to put it up here so y'all can see me opening it. Hopefully. Okay. I don't know. So time to open. Alright, so the first thing you get is this right here, and I'm guessing this is the stand, so we can get to that next, but first, the main thing. Oh, yeah. Everything out the box, yep. The main thing I've been waiting for, guys. Ooh, that thing was heavy. Y'all, it comes in the case, so that's a good, that's a good first impression. Like, a nice case, and it has Neewer or Neewer. I think I'm saying it wrong, but if I'm not saying it right, just let me know in the comments. It's whatever. You guys know what I'm trying to say. And I might be right. So now we're gonna open this. It's time to open, guys. So excited. Alright, so I got this box that was inside. Oh, instructions. Might be needing that. comes with this little piece of paper, and it's just, I guess, the seller saying thank you for the purchase, whatever. Blah blah blah. So I think these are the filters, I guess. They got the white ones and oh, the orange filter. Okay, okay, interesting. And they got the cord in here. Ooh. They got the two-piece cord, I guess. It's a two-piece cord. I don't know. 2 cords? That's weird. What's this? Oh, the remote for it. Oh, yeah. Oh, and the phone holder. Okay. What's this? Oh, it shows everything that's supposed to come in the pack. I'm gonna go ahead and open this box right here. Make sure everything is inside. So this is the stand. Oh, it's something else in here. Okay, yep, so a piece to hold up the phone, I guess, or the camera, and something. We're gonna find out. So yeah, this is a stand, and it is so big. So I'm looking at it right now. I need instructions right now. Because this looks so confusing. How do you open it? Is it like this? Oh, my hand. Oh. Ah! Oh my god. Y'all, that's my second time trying to put my out this week. Like, bro. So I got to stand up. Y'all, I'm scared for the rest because it took me forever to get the stand. Okay, now this piece. I have to connect to this. It look like I'm doing it right. Wait, y'all, I don't see English. I see. Is this Russian? What? Okay, let's find English right quick. They got every language. Oh, that's bad. Everybody that buy this. That's good though. Okay, I see Spanish. I see. I ain't even name it. I don't even know. Okay, ring light installation. Okay, here go English. Okay, so I was doing it right. I just got it super tall. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and take the light. I'm gonna go ahead and take the ring light out and see what I'm doing wrong, because I don't know what I'm doing. So this is the ring light, and is this covered? Yeah, so it looks like this. Okay, y'all, got it finally. So that is how you set it up. It wasn't that hard, y'all. I was making a big deal. Just put this little piece into this. It's like a computer charger. Okay. Unplug in. Now it's time to test it out. I'm about to turn the light on. Oh my god. Y'all, that is dim. Like, that is the dimmest it can get. Let's turn the brightness up. Oh my god. Whoa. Y'all, it's still not okay. That's the brightest it can get. Yo, I'm so excited. Ooh, I look so good. Makeup videos coming, period. Baby girl. Y'all, this is so bright. Like, girl, look, y'all. So I'm turning the bright. You can see it go down. And that's the dim as it goes. And then off. But oh my God, guys, look. Y'all see that difference? With just that? Like, and wait till y'all be right here. Like, wait till y'all be right here. Period. Period, poo. That is a big difference. Oh my God. And that right there is perfect. Like, you don't even got to turn it all the way bright. Oh my God. Oh, I love this. This is so great. Guys, I'm not going to even use the natural light anymore. Like, this is just perfect. Y'all can really see my insecurities now. Ooh. You really can see my skin. That's not cute. Oh, my hair is a mess. So guys, this comes with a Bluetooth remote for like taking pictures or shooting, so you know, videoing. So does it come with batteries? Let me see. It is a battery in it, guys. Which way you go? Which way it go? Alright, so I'm gonna try to set this up and I'll be right back. I can't show y'all, like, I just turned the camera off with this and it works. Like, thank you. Thank you, Neewer, thank you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so excited, guys, and I'm about to make a video right now because I am excited. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll put this whole product in the description below. It's, like I said, it's Amazon, so just look up ringlight Amazon. You should see it. It's like around $100. So, and I got Amazon Prime, so I got it in 2 days. So yeah, I would, you know, try the orange filters, but I don't feel like doing that because that's too much work. So if you guys want to see the orange filter, just let me know. I'll do it in a video because somebody told me it's like a real good orange filter for, like, you know, kind of bad. So yeah, so I did some cute pictures of this. Like, I can be back here and still take pictures. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't post all my new videos because you don't want to miss out. And now that I got this ring light, you really don't want to miss out. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.